It's Saturday the 5th of September 2020. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Walt Disney World has delayed the return of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort until 2021. Disney has said they're going to spend extra time renovating guest rooms with particular inspiration from the film Moana. More table service restaurants are reopening at Walt Disney World soon, with Cinderella's Royal Table leading the way at Magic Kingdom. It's going to reopen on September 24th. Construction's gone vertical at Disneyland's version of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which is going into Disneyland's Toontown. It's scheduled to open in 2023. Movie Park in Germany have teased new details for their upcoming 2021 indoor coaster, stating it will be Europe's first double launch indoor roller coaster and Germany's first multi-directional roller coaster. Busch Gardens Tampa and SeaWorld San Diego are going to host Oktoberfest-style beer festivals this month. Busch Gardens Williamsburg launched a new limited capacity event this week called Tastes of Busch Gardens. That's it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next week with more news, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram ThemeParkNut, Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.